Welcome to the new era of content creation, where artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we produce and consume videos. Today, we explore how AI-generated YouTube videos are becoming the next gold rush for creators and entrepreneurs alike. In this detailed exploration, we will delve into the concept of AI-generated YouTube videos, why they are considered the next big opportunity, the tools driving this wave of innovation, the lucrative prospects for freelancers, and why this is the perfect moment to seize the competitive edge. 1. Understanding AI-generated YouTube videos. AI-generated YouTube videos are exactly as they sound. Video content produced with the help of artificial intelligence. Unlike traditional methods of video creation, requiring filming, editing, and post-production, AI tools simplify and streamline the process. AI video generation eliminates the need for expensive cameras, lighting setups, on-screen talent, or weeks of production. Instead, AI creates videos directly from text prompts, still images, or other inputs. This transformative approach empowers anyone, from novice YouTubers to seasoned creators, to produce high-quality videos in a fraction of the time and cost. By automating much of the creative process, AI frees up creators to focus on strategy, storytelling, and audience engagement. 2. Why is this the next gold rush? YouTube has billions of daily views and serves as a primary source of entertainment, education, and information for people around the globe. This colossal audience presents an unparalleled opportunity for content creators, and AI tools are paving the way for anyone to tap into this potential. Automated content. One of the most significant barriers to entering YouTube has always been production complexity. With AI, this barrier vanishes. Tools allow creators to generate entire videos without filming, expensive equipment, or appearing on camera. From animated explainer videos to documentary-style content, everything can be created seamlessly using AI models. Scalability. Traditionally, creating a single high-quality video might take weeks. But with AI, creators can scale their content production drastically. AI tools enable the creation of hundreds of videos each month instead of just a handful. This level of scalability is groundbreaking for content creators aiming to diversify their channels and target multiple niches simultaneously. Monetization and ad revenue. YouTube monetization thrives on quantity as well as quality. More videos mean more opportunities to rank in search results, go viral, and attract viewers. With AI, creators can exponentially increase their chances of earning ad revenue. By leveraging AI, creators can cover a wide range of topics, experiment with various video formats, and capitalize on what resonates with their audience. In essence, AI not only simplifies content creation, but also amplifies opportunities for visibility and revenue generation. 3. Exploring profitable niches. Voiceover. AI can generate content for evergreen and profitable niches, including kids YouTube, songs, animations, and stories. Did you know? Facts and educational channels, engaging facts and learning materials, AI news channels, latest updates and insights in artificial intelligence, motivational and self-improvement content, inspiring messages and personal development tips, stock market and finance explainers, simplified financial information and market trends, Bible readings and religious content, spiritual teachings and scripture readings, true crime and mystery narratives, intriguing storytelling of real-life mysteries. 4. How this works in practice. Research and script writing. Using AI tools like ChatGPT to create structured video scripts. Voiceover generation. Employing AI voices to narrate the script. AI image video creation. Utilizing tools like Sora and Dream Machine to generate visuals. Video editing and syncing. Compiling everything into a polished video using AI-powered editors. SEO optimization and uploading. Applying AI for titles, descriptions, and tags to optimize search rankings. 5. The role of advanced AI tools. Sora. OpenAI's video generation tool that creates convincing video scenes rapidly from text prompts. Dream Machine. Luma Labs' text-to-video model that generates realistic videos based on user prompts or still images. Colossian, an AI video platform enabling companies to create training videos without traditional equipment. 6. Opportunities for freelancers. Offering AI video creation services. Providing services to YouTube channel owners. Running AI-powered YouTube channels. Managing their own channels with AI-generated content. Specializing in niche content. Focusing on specific areas like news, education, or children's content. 7. The competitive edge. Currently, AI-generated videos are in the early adoption phase, offering a competitive edge to those who embrace this technology now. 8. Success stories and case studies. Creators like Matt Parr and Chase Reiner have leveraged AI to streamline production, significantly reducing time and costs, leading to monthly earnings ranging from $20,000 to $60,000. 9. Ethical considerations and challenges. While AI offers vast opportunities, it also raises significant ethical concerns and challenges that creators and consumers must navigate carefully. Misinformation and deepfakes. AI can be misused to create realistic but false videos, leading to the spread of misinformation. For instance, AI-generated avatars posing as medical professionals have disseminated fake medical advice on platforms like TikTok, deceiving users with unqualified guidance. Intellectual property and consent. The creation of explicit images using nudification AI technology without individuals' consent has led to legislative actions in places like Minnesota, aiming to impose penalties on companies that facilitate such technologies. Impact on creative industries. The rise of AI tools like OpenAI's Sora has sparked concerns among creatives, as these technologies can rapidly generate convincing video scenes from text prompts, potentially reducing the need for traditional set building and human creativity. 10. Future trends and the road ahead. As AI technology continues to evolve, several trends are shaping the future of content creation. Advancements in AI video generation. New models such as Google's Lumiere and Luma Labs' Dream Machine are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, enabling more realistic and complex video content creation. Integration into mainstream platforms. Platforms like YouTube are exploring AI-generated content, with tools like Google's upcoming Veo aiming to enhance YouTube Shorts by allowing users to create videos from text prompts. Regulatory developments. Governments and organizations are increasingly focusing on regulating AI-generated content to address ethical concerns, protect intellectual property rights, and prevent misuse. Montage of AI-generated content across various niches, creators working with AI tools, and audiences engaging with content. The advent of AI-generated YouTube videos marks a transformative period in digital content creation. We'll empower you to navigate this evolving landscape effectively. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of AI in content creation. If you found this video insightful, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more in-depth discussions on the technologies shaping our world.